Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, flourless, super tasty, super healthy, super quick and easy cookies! Made with just 3 simple ingredients, but taste so good! So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, take a banana. Add a quarter teaspoon of lemon juice. And mash it. Next, add a cup of shredded coconut. Mix it well. And form it into little mountains. Now bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Cover them in dark chocolate. And enjoy super tasty, super easy and super healthy cookies! Thanks for watching!